The making of a scientist. Richard E. Bright has received the Searle Scholar Award and the Skirring Plough Award for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. It was his fascination for butterflies that opened the world of science to him. Richard E. Bright received award for biochemistry and molecular biology. It was his fascination for butterflies that opened the world of science to him. Students, you all know that small children are very much attracted toward the butterfly. They always wanted to catch it. They always wanted to capture that butterfly. So here is a boy named Richard E. Bright who had done this, but he had done a deep study about that. And how he had done all this, let's see. How did a book become a turning point in Richard E. Bright's life? How did his mother help him? Let's see this. At the age of 22, a former Scout of the Year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. Richard H. E. Bright and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. It was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college students. In sports, that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at bat. For Richard E. Bright, it was the first in a long string of achievements in science and other fields, and it all started with butterflies. Now, first of all, let's see the meaning of hitting a home run your first time at bat. A home run is the game of baseball is when the batter scores a run after running safely around all bases and back to the home plate without stopping. A ball hit out of the playing field is also called a home run. Getting a paper published at the age of 15 in a scientific journal is here compared to scoring a home run while batting for the first time. That means it cannot be happen earlier that a 15 years old young person, young scientific achievement was written in that journal. So this is the very special thing. Now the boy is of 22 years old, former Scout of the Year. He was very excited the scientific world with a new theory. He had studied about how cells work. Okay, his name was Richard H. E. Bright and his college roommate was there. Both are explaining the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. Okay, so it was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college student. They had never published the work of college student, but this is the first time they had published it because it's a very special thing because they are very young. In sports, that would be like in sport it can happen, but for the science, they are this is the young. They are very young for in the field of science. That's why. Because for scientific things, it takes a long journey. They used to do a lot of experiments, researches on that, and it takes a long time. But in a very young age, they achieve all this. An only child And what he achieved about the butterflies. And how it happened, let's see in the next paragraph. An only child, Ebright grew up north of Reading, Pennsylvania. There wasn't much I could do there. He said I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one, but there was one thing I could do: collect things. Now this boy is not interested in playing football, baseball with a team. He's not interested. But there was one thing I could do: collect things. But one thing he is interested in doing, that is collecting the things. So he did. And did he ever? He did that. Beginning in kindergarten, Ebright collected butterflies with the same determination that has marked all his activities. Means at a very small age in the kindergarten, he is collecting the butterflies. His very determination that has marked all his activities. He also collected rocks, fossils and coins. He is interested in collecting the things. Here it is given collecting. The boy is saying that I am not interested in playing with other boys, baseball, football, but I am interested in collecting the things. So what he is collecting? Butterflies, rocks, fossils and coins. He became an eager astronomer, too sometimes stargazing all night. He became what? An eager astronomer. Continuously he is gazing the star all night. So this was the introduction of the young scientist Richard Ebright.